Right. Now here have sine x minus sine y and cos x plus cos y. See, sine x minus sine y formula 2 cos x plus y by 2 and then sine x minus y by 2. This is direct formula. And down we have 2 cos x plus y by 2 and again cos x minus y by 2. So here 2 and 2 gets cancelled. Cos x plus y by 2, cos x plus y by 2 will be cancelled. So we'll get the answer tan x minus y by 2. So we got the answer very easily. Now what about this? Here we are going to rearrange that. Let me write first sine 3x, then sine x. So its rearranging is very important. Always a bigger angle first, then the smaller angle. Sine c plus sine d. So it is 2 cos 3 plus 1, yani 4x by 2. Sorry, it's not cos. Here we made a mistake. Let me erase and we'll write again. So sin c plus sin d will by 2 sine 3 plus 1 4x by 2, then cos 3 minus 1 yani 2x by 2. Here both will be cos. So 2 cos 4x by 2 and again cos 2x by 2. Now 2 and 2 gets cancelled. These both will cancel. Finally you will get tan